All right, everybody. Welcome to day 75, I guess. So, this morning we tried hitching into town, and I'm not joking. 300-400 cars went by. We had our thumbs out. We had the sign that says hiker to town. Yeah, not very good here. So, I had to call an Uber, which sucks. It was like 36 bucks. Oh, whatever. Anyway, we got to town. And we got our new shoes, and my feet are so wrecked. It still sucks walking. So hopefully in the next few days they kind of start feeling better with the new shoes. And we are walking straight up out of the gap that we got dropped off at. But yeah, at least we got our shoes. Yeah, so. A little late start on the day, but we had to have shoes. All right, we'll catch up with you up here. There's a few things today that we'll show you.
All right, we've taken a side trail to where all the graffiti is. It's all over the place. And of course it's a Saturday, so this place is gonna be packed. As you can see, there's a lot of people everywhere. So I'll show you around just a little bit. Oh yeah, even looking into the woods, let me zoom in and show you all of this. This must be like graffiti rock and trees. Poor trees. Kills them. But this is it.
And to the right.
You can say that all you want. It's never been.
Hey, Deanna, look here. Deanna, big smile, Daddy. Big smile. Put your chin.
So we're just leaving, I don't even know the name of it, Graffiti Rock. I'll have to look it up for you. Those views were absolutely amazing. But what's up with a sign that says no pictures, but no sign that says, don't graffiti all the rocks? What's that about? I'm quite confused. So, I don't know. That's kind of threw me for a loop a little bit. I took pictures. Whatever. Call me a rebel. Don't care. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. I mean, maybe it's because I'm in a slightly bad mood today, but that kind of irritates me seeing all that graffiti all over rocks when that could be one of the best views that we've seen in. Actually, it is. Wouldn't you say it's the best view, babe? It's got it. I think it's the best view we've seen in at least 3 days. And it's kind of sucks because all the paint, whatever, and some dirty words painted too. But whatever. I don't know, if I lived here, I'd be a little salty about it, but whatever. Anyway, we're still heading north, and there's something really cool we're going to show you. I don't even know when we're getting there. I haven't even looked at the map. We walked right by this one, actually, and had to backtrack like 0.2 because we don't do a lot of side trails. But as we're walking by, I started seeing graffiti all over the rocks on trail and realized that's probably the spot. So, and it was. All right, we'll catch up with you down here a little bit. now that I think of it, I'm confused. If there's anybody who's like kind of local here in Maryland to this spot, could you explain maybe in the comments of what it's about? Because maybe I'm missing the point. Never know. Could be an art project. I don't know. Just let me know if you guys know what's going on with that. Thank you.
Come out of the woods and we are at a park. Regular park. I think there's a wedding going on. I wonder if they'll let us eat. All right. Although it is nice. Sorry if it's too windy. Although,
You gotta go poo-poo?
nope. You gotta go poo-poo?
That's like a good pressure.
Go for it.
Oh, I'm good.
Me too.
Darn it, I wish I had to.
All right.
Shangri-La.
Back in the woods we go.
So,
Hey.
so,
You want to go in bed?
no.
You don't want to celebrate?
What are we celebrating?
Celebrating something awesome. You don't like them? They're good.
Oh. Huh. Those are nasty. Come here. Oh, look at that.
Yep. Another state crossed off. Down to PA.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Rocksylvania. I feel like we've been in that Rocksylvania forever.
Yeah.
Because all we've been doing is walking in rocks. But, another state down.
And we got new shoes to get into Rocksylvania.
The cool thing is, we're not hiking that way, but this state borders our state. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, well, is that it?
For today?
Hell, I don't know. We'll see up trail. I already told you, I can't stop showing bridges, especially cool ones like this. All right, all right. Hey, baby. Do it. So y'all know damn well all I think about is food out here. So let me tell you a food story. When I first met Sunflower, she invited me out. Where she was living in San Diego at the time, or Laguna Niguel at the time, and she invited me out. I stayed the night. I wake up in the morning and I can smell breakfast cooking, and I was excited. I was like, "Dang, she gonna cook me breakfast." So I get myself together and I go out there and sit down, and she had bacon and hash browns, eggs, toast, the whole deal. And I ate it. And it wasn't very good. So I didn't say anything because, you know, I was kind of into her a little bit. And so later on down the line, it was a while later. I can't even tell you. It could have been a year later. I don't remember. But finally, I told her, I said, "You know, babe, I appreciate you making breakfast that morning, but those eggs were probably the worst eggs I've ever had in my life. I didn't even know you could mess up eggs." And she was like, "I didn't make any eggs. What are you talking about?" I said the hash browns were good, the bacon was good, and the toast and everything, but the eggs were terrible. No. She didn't cook me eggs. She cooked me tofu. Who cooks tofu for me? I'm like, tofu, okay. But I have since, I've never had tofu until that point actually in my life. But after that, I actually do eat tofu now. Sometimes, once in a while. You know, if it's in miso soup or something. Yeah, that was nuts. I felt so bad because I'm like, I was thinking to myself, this girl cannot cook. What's the deal? But actually, she can cook. She doesn't cook very often because I cook for her. I love cooking, so she gets to come home every day to a meal on the table. But yeah, yep, she can cook, especially, oh man, you want to talk about cooking some Mexican food. Boom, chakalaka. I think her specialty, quite honestly, is soups. In the winters in New York, she makes soup once or twice a week, and it is freaking fantastic. All of them, like all of her soups are good. And she makes 2 different kinds of corn chowder, which is pretty bomb. They're both good. Okay, enough rambling about food. Check you later. All right, we just got water, and now we're gonna do a road crossing after this little bridge crossing. Cars are flying through here though. That's where we got water. This is crazy. I don't know how the hell we're gonna get across here. We're gonna run is what we're gonna do. Look at that hottie back there. So, all right, I'm gonna put this down and see if we can't make it across this road. Again, the camera makes it look like it's daylight, but it is dark as all get out. There's a storm brewing. We're still 2 miles from the shelter. So I do believe we are gonna get soaked. And I really don't know how we're gonna set our tent up in the rain, but it's gonna happen. Listen. Yeah, so it is really dark. So I don't know. Maybe we'll hit you up when we get there. But yeah, look at this. We didn't make it. Did we, Mama? We didn't make it. No. We're gonna walk in the rain for 2 miles. I gotta put my phone away. Hey, be careful, Mama. It's gonna be slippery. All right, we braved the rainstorm. It stopped for a while, but it's supposed to start again at 9 and go till 2 in the morning, so that is our situation.
I showed you inside.
Wah, wah, wah. Oh, you did? Oh, apparently she already showed you. Well, I was, stuffing my fat face with food. It was good. I had a Mountain House yellow chicken curry with rice. Boom, that was delicious. So, yeah, and there's a bear box. We don't have to throw it in hang or nothing. This is pretty sweet. We're living in the lap of luxury.
Oh, and the both of the shelters, one says snoring, one says non-snoring.
I'm in the non-snoring one. We'll see how that goes.
You're really snoring.
I don't care. I won't hear it. Yeah, so it's early, but we're going to go to bed pretty soon here because we're tired. It was a long day, and we got a 22-miler planned for tomorrow, so. All right.
It's almost hiker midnight anyway.
So, good night.
Good night.
Yay.